Bro, I just made a fire song with just my phone. Yes, I was just sitting on my room one day. I'm just thinking like, I got to make a song and I got to try it with my phone, with no laptop, no studio, just pure vibe with only your phone. This song is a fire, bro. I can't imagine like for where we come from now. Studio everybody poor, but you guys know now. We dey do am now with only phone and it's easy with a bad lab app. I don't know, some of you don't know the app, but some of you don already know am. Bad lab. If you use bad lab, you see the vibe, guy. People dey show this period. So I go be like now, take you the step how to do am. 10 minutes na to make the song, e no pass 10 minutes. So you go fit do am by yourself. And you only need your earpiece o, only earpiece na you need o. If you even still use your earset, basically the way e take dey. Make I show you how to package the matter, you know understand? So first, you go to your play store, go to your play store, you go to your play store, you search the bad lab app. Me I don already get my own, so you download am for here, but me I wan open am. Okay guys, so see am o, bro. See the song wey I make, na this song I make. I even still make the beat o, for now the beat and the song na I make together. Very professional app. And through this app so this ballad app make I shock una, through this ballad app so you fit still distribute your song to all major platforms. There's Spotify, Apple Music. You fit from this app distribute your song. This app wow, as in for free. If I know everything na free o, no be say money dey. As in I dey shock if I dey order this app matter. See the song wey I make, wey I show una. Lis ten o, una hear lis ten.
Gino Easy. Come with another banger. Ladies they shagalanja. Come with a different style now, with a different vibe now. We go buy my ganja. Come with another banger, oh. Ladies they shagalanja. Come with a different style now, with a different vibe now. We go buy my ganja. Then we go buy my ganja. Come close, baby, I'm not Elijah. Ladies love me, I'm their godfather. Only God blessings take me higher. She say she love me, I call the wonder. Love still dey for this hot weather. You know be better, come we get feather. Notice to the cat, me don't me well.
I wanna reason that song. I wanna reason the song. Even the beat, I miss him make am. I don't even release the song now. Say go check am. I put the link. If you go check am for all platform, I don't release the song. Each song, the beat, everything. I don't make am recently, so I don't put the song. As in 10 minutes, sharp, kpakpa. If you only have to make more, if you only have to make beats, for this app now, beat app and vocal, everything. If you want to record everything, bro. Alright, follow my next video. You watch my last video. I dey show for here how to record song with my bad lab. Short time, no need to studio, no need laptop, no need anything. I just sit that for your heart, just record anyone wey you get, just do am. Easy, fast and easy. No be say kpakpa. So I just show una how na go take do am. Easy, na to make that song. Yeah, and e no dey hard. Some people talk say I no understand. If you no understand, you gats calm down make you understand. No be small, no be gaga thing. Sing better voice, tune am, reduce am. Do your voice clean, everything. Then if you put your song, if you use there take distribute am to all major platform. Easy thing. Use my channel, na that one I dey show now. So you gats subscribe and like for real. Pay at ten tion. My next video now, I'll show you how to make beats. If you want how to make beats, just comment beat. So I'll teach you personal teaching. I'll teach you how to make beats. Easy thing. No need to pause. If you upload song online, you rather need your own beats. No use person beats. So leave those free beats. Those are not good. So you gotta make your own beats. So I will teach you now. I will teach you guys by using English. The matter. So subscribe and like for wait my next video. Time. Peace.